PV Sindhu, India's badminton prodigy and global sports icon. Pusarla Venkat Sindhu, commonly known as PV Sindhu, is a name that resonates with badminton enthusiasts around the world. As one of India's most celebrated athletes, Sindhu's achievements in badminton have not only brought her international acclaim but have also significantly contributed to the popularity of the sport in India. This article delves into the life, career, and legacy of PV Sindhu, highlighting her journey from a promising young talent to a global sports icon. Early life and background. PV Sindhu was born on July 5, 1995, in Hyderabad, Telangana, to PV Ramana and P. Vijaya, both of whom were accomplished volleyball players. Her father, PV Ramana, was an Arjuna Award recipient, which reflects the athletic pedigree in Sindhu's family. Despite her parents' volleyball background, Sindhu showed an early interest in badminton, inspired by the success of Pullela Gopichand, a renowned badminton player and coach. Sindhu began playing badminton at the tender age of 8 and soon joined Gopichand's Badminton Academy in Hyderabad. Under his mentorship, Sindhu's skills developed rapidly, and she started showing immense promise as a future badminton star. Rise to prominence. Sindhu's rise in the international badminton circuit was swift. She first gained significant attention when she won the bronze medal at the 2009 Sub-Junior Asian Badminton Championships. Her first major international breakthrough came in 2012 when she won the Asian Junior Championships, which established her as a formidable young talent. Sindhu continued to climb the ranks, and in 2013, she became the first Indian woman to win a medal at the Badminton World Championships, securing a bronze. This achievement was a precursor to her future successes on the global stage. Olympic glory. PV Sindhu's most significant achievements came in the form of her performances at the Olympics. In the 2016 Rio Olympics, Sindhu made history by becoming the first Indian woman to reach the badminton singles final. Although she narrowly lost to Spain's Carolina Marin in a thrilling match, her silver medal win was celebrated as a monumental achievement for Indian sports. Sindhu's quest for Olympic gold continued, and at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics, she once again showcased her exceptional talent and determination. She won the bronze medal, becoming the first Indian woman to win 2 individual Olympic medals. Her success at the Olympics solidified her status as one of India's greatest athletes. World Championships and other major titles. Apart from her Olympic success, Sindhu has an impressive record at the Badminton World Championships. She won her first World Championship gold in 2019, defeating Japan's Nozomi Okuhara in a dominating performance. This victory made her the first Indian to win a gold medal at the World Championships. Sindhu also has multiple silver and bronze medals from previous editions, underscoring her consistent excellence at the highest level. Sindhu's achievements extend beyond the World Championships. She has won prestigious tournaments such as the BWF World Tour Finals, the India Open, the Korea Open, and the Macau Open. Her triumphs in these competitions have cemented her reputation as a top-tier international badminton player. Challenges and resilience. Sindhu's journey to the top has not been without challenges. She has faced intense competition from some of the best players in the world, and maintaining peak performance consistently requires immense dedication and hard work. Injuries, too, have tested her resolve, but Sindhu's resilience and unwavering focus have seen her bounce back stronger each time. Impact and legacy. PV Sindhu's impact extends far beyond her individual achievements. She has played a crucial role in popularizing badminton in India and inspiring a new generation of players. Her success has led to increased visibility and support for the sport, with more young talents aspiring to emulate her achievements. Sindhu's dedication to her sport and her professionalism have made her a role model not just in India, but globally. Her humility, discipline, and work ethic are widely admired, and she has used her platform to advocate for various social causes, including women's empowerment and education. Personal life. Despite her busy schedule and rigorous training regimen, Sindhu has pursued her education diligently. She completed her Bachelor of Commerce degree from St. Anne's College for Women in Hyderabad. Sindhu's ability to balance academics and sports is a testament to her multifaceted personality and strong determination. Conclusion. PV Sindhu's journey from a young girl with a dream to a global sports icon is a story of passion, perseverance, and excellence. Her achievements in badminton have brought immense pride to India and have inspired countless individuals to pursue their dreams with dedication and courage. As she continues to compete at the highest level, Sindhu's legacy as a trailblazer and a champion of Indian sports will undoubtedly endure for generations to come.